Hello, dear friends, and welcome to your YouTube channel, Civil Engineering with Reza. It's truly an honor for me to have you here. This channel is allocated to cover a wide range of topics in the field of civil engineering. Also, to make a bridge between the construction field and the academic area. As an initial step, our first focus will be learning basic and fundamental software every civil engineer needs to know. You're right, AutoCAD. We will start learning the AutoCAD software from basics. We will go ahead step by step. Then we will have some practices to make a solid foundation. But this will not be the end of our journey. Actually, it's the start of that. Why? Because the rest of our focus will be concentrating on your questions and suggestions. So please feel free to share your idea with me. If you wanted to make your knowledge stronger and deeper in this field, please push that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Best wishes, take care, and goodbye.